So this question is asking two ways that the eyes task in Baron Cohen's to do with standardised. So standardised just means kept the same. So this question was answered quite well by most of you. You'd kind of recognise that the eyes task in terms of the eyes that were displayed were all the same size. So they were all 10 by 15 centimetres. They were all black and white. They were all displayed for 3 seconds. They were all of the same region of the face. So from just above the eyebrows and midway across the nose. So you could have kind of said any of those, you could have split them up, so you could have said, you know, the images of the eyes on the eyes task were all 10 by 15 centimetres. That will be one way that they were standardised, you can have that, that's fine. And then said that they were displayed for 3 seconds each. That would be another one. But the things that were dropping marks where you were putting things like the images were all black and white. You need to be specific and say images of what. I know it's called an eyes task and it seems a bit obvious, but you're not getting the context in your answer if you don't put eyes in. So it kind of needs to be like the eyes on the eyes task were all, you know, from a magazine, they're all black and white, they're all 10 by 15 centimetres. So it kind of needs a bit more than just saying the 10 by 15. It needs a couple of things in. You might also have said things like the foil word and the target word were always semantically opposite to each other, and they were the same for every participant. So they always had those two options to pick from. You could have said, so somebody actually said that they were all given the same program on their laptops to take home. So again, that is standardised because they've all got the same program, it all works in the same way. So any of those would have been a good answer for that question. You just need to make sure it's in context. So mentioning eyes, you know, pictures of eyes, you could slot theory of mind in there if it's applicable. If it's not, then perhaps don't put it in, but eyes definitely need to be in there somewhere.